Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GitHub Actions for a new repository step by step clearly. Creating a new repository on GitHub is the first step in enabling GitHub Actions. Begin by logging into your GitHub account. Navigate to the top right corner of the page and click the plus icon. Select New Repository from the drop-down menu. Fill in the repository name and description on the new repository page. Choose whether to make your repository public or private. Optionally, initialize the repository with a README file. Click on the Create Repository button to finalize. Once your repository is created, navigate to the main page of the repository. Locate and click on the Actions tab in the menu bar. GitHub may present you with some predefined workflows based on your project. You can choose one of the suggested workflows or set one up from scratch. To create a custom workflow, click on the Set up a workflow yourself link. This opens a text editor where you can define your workflow in YAML format. Begin by specifying the name of your workflow in the name field. Next, define the on key to trigger the workflow for specific events, such as push or pull _request. Then, under the Jobs section, define the job you want to run. Specify the runs on key to choose the environment, such as Ubuntu latest. Add the steps your job will execute, starting with the steps keyword. For each step, specify the name and the action to perform using the uses key. You can also add commands using the run keyword in the respective steps. After you finish writing your workflow, click on the Start Commit button. Add a commit message, then choose the option to commit directly to the main branch. Finally, click on the Commit Changes button to save your workflow. Your GitHub Actions is now enabled for your new repository. You can check the execution of your workflow by going back to the Actions tab. Each time the workflow is triggered, you will see the latest runs listed. Now your repository is ready to automate tasks using GitHub Actions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.